In this video, you'll learn how to swap coins using the Phantom wallet. By following these steps, you will successfully exchange one cryptocurrency for another within the wallet's interface. Begin by opening the Phantom Wallet application on your device. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection, as this will facilitate a smooth experience when executing transactions. Once the wallet is open, look for the swap option prominently displayed on the home screen. This section is designed specifically for exchanging cryptocurrencies, making it easy to navigate. In the You Pay section, select the cryptocurrency you wish to swap. A list of available coins will appear for you to choose from. Take a moment to review your options before making a selection. Next, navigate to the You Receive section. Here you will choose the cryptocurrency that you want to receive in exchange. Again, a list will be presented for your convenience, allowing you to select your desired coin. After selecting both You Pay and You Receive coins, enter the amount you wish to swap in the designated field. Be mindful of the current market as this will affect the value of your transaction. Proceed by clicking the swap button to initiate the transaction. This action will prompt a confirmation dialog to appear, detailing the specifics of your swap, including the amounts and the fees involved. Finally, click confirm to complete the transaction. After this step, you should see a loading indicator as the swap is processed. Depending on network conditions, this may take a moment. You will receive a confirmation message once the transaction is successfully completed. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.